is it about them? I must be missing something. They just keep doing nothing. Too intoxicated to be scared. Better off without them. They're nothing but unstable. Bring ashtrays to the table, and that's about the only thing that they share. I'm in the second-hand smoke, still just drinking, can't go. I don't need a Xanny to feel bad. On designated drives home, only one who's not stoned. Don't give me a Xanny, no, ever. Waking up at sundown, they're late to every party. Nobody's ever sorry to inebriate out and dance. Morning I say calm down, their pretty heads are hurting. They're awfully bad at learning. Make the same mistakes, blame circumstances. I'm in the second-hand smoke, still just drinking, can't go. I don't need a Xanny to feel bad. On designated drives home, only one who's not stoned. Don't give me a Xanny now or ever. Please don't try to kiss me on the sidewalk, on your cigarette break. I can't afford to love someone who wastes their time by mistake. It's so late. What is it about them? I must be missing something. They just keep doing nothing. Too intoxicated to be scared. Nice job, cat.